Hello, this is Cameron doing a update proof video on one of our trade lines posting. We like to do these videos 3 to 4 times a month, just showing that all of our trade lines post on a regular basis. We currently have over 400 trade lines posting weekly and daily actually. This particular trade line here, a gentleman bought for his social profile, was an Amex. We actually have a $60,000 American Express card. Believe it or not, yes we do. Here we go, the authorized user, 60,000. This can do wonders for utilization. If you're trying to qualify for loans, credit cards, automobile, this 60,000 would be really good for getting a score and looking real good on paper as far as having a high limit Amex card. Keep in mind, it does not show years, it just shows the amount. We want to keep that in mind. Buying trade lines, you want a combination of years and high limit. So in this case, if you have utilization issues like high limit, high balance on your credit cards, you want to get a high limit Amex. So again, to get our list, go to tradelines.biz for more information. To get our weekly list, actually it's twice a month it comes out. We do free consulting if you have any questions, or you want us to go over your profile to give you advice on what trade line to buy and what kind of trade line as far as years and credit limit. You can call us for a free consultation at 202-213-2218. We also do credit repair. We get free consulting on that too as well. And we have CPN numbers if you need those for good apartments and things of that nature. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button for weekly updates on our trade lines. But again, we have over 400 trade lines posting every week. And that is it for today. Have a great day.